Good morning, Pottinger's class.
Good morning.
7.5 negative integer, or negative numbers. Can you work below zero on a number line?
Yes.
You definitely can. Okay, here we go. Integer. Define it on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
A whole number or a whole number's opposite.
Sweet. We know what opposite is. Positive. What side of the number line is positive? Right side. What side of the number line is negative?
Left.
And number lines, are they important?
Yes.
All right, here you go. Adding and subtracting when below 0. So here we go. On the count of 3, let's read this together. 1, 2, 3.
Anytime a person is dealing with a number below 0, use a stinking number line.
Yeah, use a stinking number line, as one of my students said years ago. It's like, Mr. Pottinger, we should just use a stinking number line and we can't get them wrong. And I'm like, you're right. If you use a number line, you probably will get them right. So I'm not going to go through all these problems, but these are all examples of problems that if you use a number line, you would get to the correct answer. I know you would. What's this actually called? What's this object or this drawing called? And a thermometer is technically a what? So the scenario right here, I'm not going to read it to you because we've already done it, but the scenario right here, if you read the scenario and just use your starting point and use the thermometer or the number line, are you probably going to arrive at whatever answer they're asking you?
Yes.
That's my sailboat. These are fish. I was asking you how far apart the fish are, right? What did I draw?
A number line.
And we talked about, can anything be a negative distance apart?
No.
So can you live negative 3 miles from your friend? No. Can you live 3 miles from your friend?
Yes.
And then the last thing is a bank account. Now in this case, can you have a negative amount of money in your bank account?
Yes.
What's that actually called?
Debt.
Debt. That means you owe something, right? And sometimes debt is good, sometimes debt is bad. It just depends on what kind of debt we're talking about. We good?